Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about mastering bookmarks in Google Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save, organize, and find your favorite websites, making your browsing experience smoother and way more efficient. If you've ever struggled to remember a great site or wondered how people keep their online life so well organized, bookmarks are your new best friend. Let's get right into it. So first up, let's learn how to add a bookmark. Imagine you've just landed on a website you want to keep handy. Maybe it's your favorite recipe blog or an important work portal. The easiest way to save it for later is with Chrome's star icon. Here's how it works. Just look to the right side of your address bar. You'll see a little star. Click it, and a pop-up appears. Now, don't rush this step. The pop-up lets you name your bookmark, which can help keep things tidy and easier to find later. For example, instead of leaving http:/super long website address.com/recipes2024 summer salads, you can rename it Summer Salad Recipes. You also get to choose which folder to save it in, so as your bookmarks grow, you can group them however you like, maybe by work, school, or fun reads. When you're happy with your choices, just hit done. Quick tip: if you ever find your bookmarks getting cluttered, these names and folders are a lifesaver. If you prefer using menus, Chrome's three-dot menu in the top right corner is your gateway to more bookmark options. Click it, select Bookmarks, and then bookmark this tab. This gives you the same pop-up as the star, with all the organizational perks. Sometimes, the menu approach just feels more reliable, especially if you're already digging into Chrome's settings. For those keyboard warriors out there, there's also a speedy shortcut. If you're on a PC, just hit Ctrl+D while you're on the page you want to save. Instantly, the bookmark dialog pops up. It's perfect when you're working fast and want to bookmark things on the fly. Maybe you're in a research rabbit hole and don't want to lose track of anything. Now, adding bookmarks is only half the journey. Finding and managing them is where you really start to see the benefits. If you want to see every bookmark you've ever saved, head back to that three-dot menu, but this time select Bookmarks and Lists. Then Show All Bookmarks. This will open the Bookmark Manager. Picture it like a digital filing cabinet. Here you can organize bookmarks into folders, drag and drop to move things around, search for old links, or even clean up by deleting stuff you don't need anymore. Don't worry if yours looks a little messy at first. Most people's do. Trust me. Just a few minutes organizing here pays off every day. Some folks like the bookmarks bar for quick access. If it's enabled, you'll see a slim bar right under the address bar with your favorite links laid out for easy clicking. You can add your most used sites here, and honestly, it can feel like having a personal shortcut tray right in your browser. And here's a cool trick for finding bookmarks fast. Just type @bookmarks into your address bar, hit tab or space, and then start typing keywords related to your saved site. Chrome will instantly search through your bookmarks to find the match. So even if you forgot which folder you put that recipe blog in, typing salad after @bookmarks brings it right up. It saves you from endless scrolling or clicking through folders. Alright, now you've got the full toolkit for using Chrome bookmarks like a pro. If this video helped you get organized, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I read every single one. And of course, subscribe for more practical tutorials to make your online life easier. Thanks for watching and happy bookmarking.